What's up guys, welcome to this video of mine. My name is Aram Sheikh. Today I'm going to the worst reviewed makeup artist and asking her to do my makeup. Right now all I have on my face is some sunscreen, some moisturizer and a shit ton of concealer. Right now I'm leaving my house and going to the salon where she works. Let's go. Say hi! Hi baby! Say hi to my viewers!
Hi, baby.
Hi! Ouch! Alright guys, I'm going in the salon. I'm posting a picture of the makeup that I want to do.
इसके फेस पे बहुत मेहनत होने वाली है. Eyes closed. One big, this one small.
Wow.
मुंह पे इतने ब्लैक बाल हैं.
Thank you. Come. So guys, I'm home and you guys can see what she did. Geeta and Babita have outdone themselves. All of their makeup was from Splash and Day to Day. These are 5 dirham shops, 1 to 5. The lipstick color is nice, but dude, what is this? Instead of the highlighter, she put glitter on my nose and here and here. Oh, you look at the glitter here. They put in a lot of effort. Like with whatever they had, they tried to make it as better as they could, but I just want to show you the difference between my hand and my face. And of course, I didn't forget all the backhanded insults they were throwing at me. They thought I didn't know Hindi. I definitely know Hindi, but yeah. To be honest, compared to other people, I do look so much better. Also, don't forget the contouring she did with blush. She made free money by doing this. I mean, all the makeup that she has, I could buy that for less than 30 dirhams from Splash. And maybe it took me like 30 minutes to get home, and you can see the makeup that she did is already lightened up. It's become so damn dull, but well, this is what you get. This is how I actually go to my ex's wedding. He would be very happy that he left me. Like, it would be the best decision of his life. I'm probably gonna show this to my mom. Okay, I want you guys to see her reaction and like how she feels about this look. How is it? I don't think I look that horrible. Like, not that much. I don't look horrible. So I'm going to remove half my face makeup in front of you so you guys can see the difference for yourself. Guys, look at the difference now. Look at the freaking difference. If you like this video of mine, please do like, share, and subscribe. You can even comment if you liked it, what you liked most about it. And stay tuned for more cool videos. Fuck off now.